Hi everybody, my name is Burgundy and I am a spree educator with the Greenway Foundation, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a bug hotel for your yard or your park. And even though it doesn't feel like spring all the time, spring is here and all of the little insects need a shelter, so I'm going to show you how to make one. So to make your bug hotel, you're going to need a 10 can or any other container that you could put natural materials in, like a cardboard tube or a plastic bottle. You will need yarn or string to tie your bug hotel to a tree or branch, and you also need to find natural materials such as sticks, leaves, bark, pine cone, rocks, or other natural materials a bug might like. I'm here at Globeville Landing Park to look for natural materials to use in my bug hotel, but you can find these things in your yard, neighborhood, or any outdoor spaces near you. Now that I've found all of my materials, it's time to start putting together my bug hotel. Arrange your natural materials to fill up your container so that they fit snugly and don't move around too much inside. Make sure to use a variety of items in your bug hotel so that it attracts all kinds of different insects. What do you think of my bug hotel? Now that it's complete, I will tie a string around the center of the container so that I can hang it on a branch. Now all that's left to do is to find the perfect tree to hang it on. I hung mine in my front yard. Thanks for joining me. Make sure you check out our Just for Kids page on our website for more fun activities that you can do in our local parks. Be sure to post your completed bug hotel on social media and tag us with the hashtag #LearningSpree. Be sure to keep an eye out for our next video. Thanks for joining me. See you next time on Spree TV.